Hey, United Dojos Nations, Brent Crisci here on the road again. Beautiful day here on the island. I'm joined by my good buddy, Tim Goodyew again. We're going to continue on our series of KOSHO KEMPO concepts and Jiu-Jitsu concepts. Today, we're going to talk about connecting the upper and lower base. So what that means is that when most people do a Jiu-Jitsu technique, they do it with their arm. And the fact is, if you have looking glass, if he resists, even at my size, that's not happening, or I'm getting drilled while he does it. So if I want to use my arm, the secret is to use my leg. I need to connect my upper and my lower base. So the engine for the right arm is always the left leg. So when he grabs, I move my leg, and you see how easily he's manipulated, okay? So again, he grabs, I move my leg with my arm. The other reason is that the further the arm gets away from the body, the less power you're going to have. So it doesn't matter which hand. Without the leg, he resists. It's not happening. With the leg, instantaneous, okay? All control. Have a seat, relax, get a tan. All right, so that is just an example of connecting the upper lower base. I hope you enjoy it and you'll subscribe, like all the videos. I'll see you on the mat.